As you can see, the sun is setting on the western shore of India in the southwest state of Karnataka. If you can spend time every day at sunset for the 10 or 15 minutes that we get of orange-red rays, you are getting as close to the natural infrared that you can get into your body. So we have less to worry about at this time because Ayurveda tells us that these orange-red rays penetrate several layers deep and repair our bodies. They also tell our clock genes that the sun is setting. This understanding between nature, the sun, and we, its children on the earth, are part of a great cycle, both of dinacharya, the daily routine, ritucharya, the seasonal routine, and ratricharya, the evening or night routine. If you can follow some of the great advice, nuggets, or prescriptions given by Ayurveda, you can literally watch your body's hormones, which have their own circadian rhythms, come back into normalcy. Please go and find the setting sun. I'm Dr. Bhaswati Bhattacharya.